Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite soup meat, like chicken or beef, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare 2 cups of various root vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, along with 1 cup of pumpkin and half a cup of chocho. Don't forget your essential seasonings like fresh thyme, scallions, and a few pimento berries to build that authentic flavor profile. Now let's get everything prepped. Wash and chop all your root vegetables, pumpkin, and chocho into roughly 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly. Next, season your meat well with a pinch of salt, some fresh black pepper, and a dash of all-purpose seasoning. Finely dice 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, measure out 4 cups of water or vegetable broth, which will form the delicious base of our soup. It's time to start cooking. In a large pot, brown your seasoned meat over medium heat for about 5 minutes until it has a nice color. Then, add your diced onions and garlic, cooking them until they become fragrant, which usually takes around 2 minutes. Pour in your 4 cups of water or broth and bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for 30 minutes before adding all your chopped vegetables, cooking for an additional 20 minutes until tender. For the perfect finish, stir in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, which adds a wonderful richness to the soup. If you enjoy a little heat, you can add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. Just remember to remove it before serving. Your delicious Jamaican soup is now ready. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Serve your hot, flavorful soup with a side of hard dough bread for a truly authentic experience. Enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.